Capri Tools has turned up the heat with our multi-angle butane soldering kit. Our versatile multi-angle butane soldering iron kit lets you take care of soldering, cutting, shaping, and more with a single tool. This powerhouse soldering kit is easy to use and really delivers the heat to any project you can throw at it. From electronics, mobile stereo installation to marine use, no cord here to keep you tied down. Take this tool anywhere and get the job done. This kit includes 6 easy-to-change interchangeable tips for soldering, cutting, and deflector attachment for shaping. The tool quickly and easily transforms into a hot blower or a micro-butane torch for a wide variety of heating, shaping, and material removing applications. Our multi-angle butane soldering iron kit can lock in at 5, 45, and 90 degrees with a simple press of a button. You can choose up to 4 flame settings to adjust its length and intensity, and the set comes with a hands-free magnetic base. The easy-to-see transparent fuel window lets you see when the fuel tank is full and when it's almost time for a refill. Fill the tank with butane gas designed for lighters and torches. The kit also includes a mechanic's tray for easy organization and storage.